Welcome back to Scavenger Workshop. In the past couple of videos, we have been working on some T-60 Fallout armor. I've showed you how to use this metallic metal paint and dry brush it on the helmet and some other pieces, showing you guys how to make it appear that this armor is actual cast metal. I'm going to continue that process on this back piece here. What I've done is I've sanded, primed, and then painted it a flat black. So I'm going to go ahead and start doing some of this this metal finish work on it. So like in the previous video, you can get this stuff at Michael's or Hobby Lobby, or you could probably even buy it online. Let me get my glasses. It is called where's the metallic silver. Metallic silver. So stuff is it's really good. Make sure you shake it up really well. And when you're doing this process, you want to try and get the majority of the stuff off your brush before you start working in, and then just go in circular motions like this. And then the parts where you would get a lot of contact with you know, handling, that you want to be brighter. So paint that a little bit heavier than the other parts, and as you get to areas that cannot be touched or cannot be reached, you're gonna do a lot less of it there, so that way it looks like it's actually got dirt and grime and whatnot on the pieces that cannot be touched. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video here and do a lot more, and you guys can just enjoy it.
to be ruthless.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb. And I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up. Cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Right, that's about it for now. I'm going to, of course, I've got to clean up this black area here where I've got some silver on it, because I believe in the Fallout it's like a beige color for the tanks, and I've got to put the little handles on and whatnot. But the first part of this is done. Let me go ahead and get the camera and see if you guys can see that. Yep, that is about it. I will clean up all the little messes I've made, and then I'll come in there and take some good photos of it and show y'all some close-up on the Scavenger Workshop Facebook group. You should be able to see some really good images of this. Alright, so until next time, peace out.